What's that? Ooh, girl, give me that. So, some big updates here. We have our pantry all framed out with the drywall up. It's gonna be our coat closet. Some of our cabinets have made it inside. They literally just got done with the flooring today. I'll give you a better view of the flooring in the other room. Right now, all the lights are out because they did all the drywall for the ceiling as well. So next couple steps are the laundry room. We need to get this guy done so that we can put our washer and dryer back, because me and Cass are on like day 6 or 7 without a washing machine. And then next step would be this room. Put the trim in real quick, and then we could actually get our family room back. He's got one coat, I think, so far on here. So that's gonna be the white that we're going with. That's a better look at the tile. So it's some sort of, porcelain plank tile with, I think we chose like frost for our grouts. Did it all the way to here. The bedrooms are obviously gonna be different, so will the bath. But everywhere else throughout, we'll have this tile. So those 2 rooms will get done first, and in the meantime, when they got some time, they're gonna start putting some cabs in. So the layout is going to look something like this, where we are gonna have uppers and lowers on this wall. That is going to be for the oven, the double oven, I should say. And then over here will be our refrigerator, little coffee bar. That'll be our wet bar over there. So it'll be a wine fridge with a little slop sink, not slop sink, but a beverage sink, I don't know. And then over here will be the cooktop, just all lowers. We're gonna put one upper over there in that little area for cups, because I felt like when the dishwasher is right here, Cass asked me, do you want to kind of go into a lower cabinet to grab cups? And I said that'd be kind of weird. So we are gonna put a cabinet up there, and we'll see how it goes, how it looks. Hopefully it looks good. And then we have a vent hood here that's gonna be for the stove. Yeah, so we're getting there. He hasn't really given us a timeline yet, but we're optimistic for like the end of April time. Hopefully once we get the cabs in, then they could come out and measure for the stone, and then we're rocking and rolling. Till then, cheers everyone.